Here we have the 2008 Meridian 341. We got this priced at boatsofdallas.com at $129,999. That makes it the lowest price 341 in the USA for a 2008 model. She shows well, freshwater only, very clean boat. It does have the full enclosure up top and on the back, and I've got photos of some of that. Full closure on the top has never been even put on. It does have two screen sunblock outs for the large windows inside. You've got a complete blackout, the blue canvas, and below that is a tinted mesh, or you can take it off altogether. So that's one feature this boat does have. Bare Necessities is the name currently. It does come with bow cushions, they're just not on right now. Remote spot, windlass anchor. It's got everything. It's loaded. So we'll go inside next.